Hello, this is week 2 of Intro to Python. I'm gonna start by writing a few simple programs. One is going to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, and the next is going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Pretty simple codes. We're going to start with Celsius to Fahrenheit. I tried two different data types. I tried float and integer. They both work. Float though allows me to use decimals and such if I want. So I'm gonna use float just allow me to use that if I want it. Enter temperature in Celsius. In the next line, what I'm going to do is type in the formula that's used to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, which is just Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. Command print. Delete that, it's not going to work. Fahrenheit. And that's, again, Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we're going to run that to see if it works. Down here it says enter temperature in Celsius. So we're going to try 40 degrees. And you can see there the output is 40 degrees Celsius is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So that works. So since we know that works, I'm going to save the file. I'm going to save it as Celsius to Fahrenheit .py Python. I'm going to save it. And then, so we can get rid of that and start our next program, which is basically the same thing. It's with the exception of the formula. So the Fahrenheit equals float input I actually got to change this. Accidentally put the wrong one. So next line, the new formula is gonna be Fahrenheit equals, that's Celsius times 9. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong formula. I'm gonna do Celsius equals Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9, and that's the formula used to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. And then from there on, you just do the same command, and just swap Celsius and Fahrenheit the way it was in the previous program. That's Fahrenheit to Celsius. Run that. And down here it says same as it did before, but enter temperature in Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. So we'll just try the same thing, 40 degrees. And that says that 40 degrees Celsius is 4.44 degrees Celsius. Now, come up here and save it. That's Fahrenheit to Celsius. .py. Save. And that's it.